For ride-hailing drivers like Demis Dendibo, digital payments have long become essential. His day now runs on mobile transactions, from fare payments to buying fuel.
When we used cash, we were always at risk of theft. But now the money moves straight from one phone to another, so that danger is gone. We actually prefer getting our fares through Telebir or CBE Bir because carrying cash makes it easy to spend without thinking. With mobile money, we're able to save more and manage our income better.
Stories like this reflect a much broader shift underway in the country. The National Bank of Ethiopia says mobile money accounts have surged from about 12 million in 2020 to more than 120 million by 2025. Enabled by the country's first national digital payments strategy, the ecosystem now moves 18.5 trillion birr, or roughly $120 billion every year.
Prior to 2020, there was no an ecosystem that we are talking about. There was no non-bank financial institution that plays digital services or that provides digital services like fintechs. And there was no even standalone mobile money platforms. So the implementation of the first strategy was instrumental, creating of the space where the digital financial service providers can provide services, where unified infrastructures are being implemented.
The country is now doubling down its digital future with the launch of its second strategy unveiled during the second Ethiopian National Payments Conference. The new strategy aims to expand mobile money, improve interoperability between providers, and most importantly, narrow the gender gap and the urban-rural gap among users.
The approach is to create that ecosystem where financial institutions can easily provide access to finance for all citizens, and regardless of where they are living, whether it's urban or rural, regardless of their age, regardless of their gender, and that we are aiming to have that ecosystem where everybody is treated equally.
International partners say Ethiopia's digital payments progress is exemplary due to policy leadership.
Plus 120 million accounts over a period of just about 3-4 years. It's phenomenal growth that we've never seen anywhere else on the continent. What really stands out for Ethiopia is that we see policy leadership taking the lead. It's not just about technology, right? It's about policy leadership. Policy, regulatory reforms, innovation, and a ready market spur digital payments growth in the country.
Yet, they stressed the need for enhancing cross-border interoperability of digital payments.
For you to talk of trade, there must be payment. And payments is critical, but if it's not interoperable across borders, then we also have another challenge. And that's why Africa has to take a serious look into driving digital payments, one, in their countries domestically, two, across the borders to facilitate cross-border trade to happen. Intra-Africa trade will just be another talk if digital payments are not enhanced and if the payment systems and the payment channels are not connected.
The new strategy is expected to play a pivotal role in driving innovation across agriculture, tourism, manufacturing, and the wider services sector, helping propel the country toward the goals of Digital Ethiopia 2030. Beka Thomas, CGTN, Addis Ababa.